with the weighted ball. Ang purpose lang ito, for strength and power. Ito lang natin yung mga forearm mo and yung mga daliri. Go, that's 20 ha. Go tight, Jello. Go hard. It's okay mag-start ng slow, but I want you to finish hard. Go. You can start slow. Hardness, let's go back. Hardness. Hardness, let's go. That's it. After you're mixing, let's try it here. Harder. Hand placement should be behind the ball. Under, kasi kapag under, violation din. It's like you're pulling a rope. Yan na. So this time, eliminate the pound. Continuous pocket na tayo. Nakukulangan lang sa pocket mo, I want you to really pull the ball to your pocket. Saturate more. Sa mga basic dribbling na gagamitin natin for today's training. Then, pocket tayo. There are two kinds of pocket. First one, we call this tight pocket kasi malapit siya sa katawan. But the other one is wide pocket. Mas malayo siya sa katawan. This time, bigyan ko muna ako ng tight pocket. Kasi, yan. Tight na, ha? The wide. Bakit ba? Okay. Dilay! Ask ko mama. Nasaan ba? Yellow? Si Tay, placement ng kamay mo, naka-point siya pababa. Si wide pocket, ang placement ng kamay mo, naka-side, malayo siya sa katawan. Ito si Tay, ito si wide. Tay, wide. Pag in-execute ko, Jello, look, Jello. Wide pocket. Go! Kumito ko, sorry. Sige na, Jello. Last time. Square up tayo, square up. Wide and cross. Turn, tight, wide and cross. Side, wide and cross. Turn. Yan. Go. Tuloy, turn. Partial step. Para ma-execute mo si partial step, ang una ko gagawin, turn 3 po. Rhythm of 3. Pound, pound on the turn, turn, partial, under, reset step, then cross. 1, 2, go. Under, reset step, then cross. Oops, walang pakat yan, walang pakat. Okay. Ay, wala na pala. Go straight sa... There you go. Okay. We call this foot switch. Every time na mag-switch ka lang ng lead foot mo, we call that foot switch. Step in, tapos reset ka lang ulit. Turn, partial, under, foot switch, pound, step in, then reset, step lang ulit ako. Balik. Pivot. Nice. Partial step under foot switch. Step in pound. Right after ko mag-step in pound, I will do a split pivot. Okay, yan. Then, reset step. Then right after your reset step, turn. Ayan na. Ready? Bang. Nice one. Ready? Go. have to hold or you try to squeeze if you want to challenge yourself. So just do a jumps up here, jumps up. Position ka na, i-wrap around ko lang, wrap around tayo ito ang So we'll try to do this para lang yung flow. Okay, you have to flow with the ball. So, starting position, wrap around, floater. Okay. Unang purpose itong playa box is to simulate the defender. At the same time, we're going to activate your offhand by tapping the box. Kasi sa game, di ba kinakailangan swipe or sa Tagalog, tagain yung kamay.